In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't trade problem on Steam. Whether you're an avid gamer or just getting started on Steam, running into this issue can be frustrating. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some simple steps that should help you resolve it quickly and efficiently. First things first, open up your Steam app. If you don't have it installed, you'll need to download and install it from the official Steam website. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Once you've opened the app, you'll see the home page where you can explore the latest games and updates. Now, let's move on to logging in. In the top right corner of your Steam app, you'll find the login button. Click on it, and then you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Be sure to enter the correct details to avoid any access issues. Once you've input your credentials, simply click on Sign In. Once you're successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself back at the Steam homepage. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Steam. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Security tab. Here you'll find an option labeled Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is an important security feature that needs to be activated on your account if you want to trade or use the community market. Make sure it's enabled. Keep in mind that if you have recently changed your password or added a mobile authenticator, there's a waiting period before you'll be able to trade. Specifically, you will be restricted from trading and accessing the community market for 5 days. This waiting period is a precautionary measure to ensure your account's security. Moreover, if you attempt to make trades within the first 7 days after adding a mobile authenticator, you may still face up to a 15-day trade hold. This can be inconvenient, but it's vital for protecting your assets. While you're in Settings, ensure that your email and phone number are verified. These verifications add an extra layer of security and help in the recovery of your account if you ever get locked out. Lastly, sometimes a simple restart can solve issues. Simply close and reopen your Steam client to see if that resolves the trading problem. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to trade on Steam once again without any hitches. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.